Okay, so now for the first method, you want to head over to your browser, make sure to type in download GRE. Once you did that, go ahead and select the first link, download Java, scroll down, make sure to download the compatible version with your operating system. For me, I'm gonna download this one. After that, make sure to run it and install it successfully. Okay, so now for the second step, go to the search bar, type in control panel, head over programs, after that select Java, go to the second tab which is update, after that make sure to select update now, select apply and OK. Okay, now for the next step, go ahead and select the file explorer. After that, go to this PC, select the C drive, scroll down, select program files, look for Java, click it. After that, you can see the file you just installed, which is GRE, select it and go ahead and click on bin. After that, we're going to copy this path, so Control C. Once you did that, go ahead and type in the search bar view advanced system settings. After that, select environment variables. Okay, after that, select new, give a name to your variable. In the variable value, just paste the path you just copied. After that, select OK. As you can see here, go ahead and click on OK, click OK again. After that, make sure to restart your computer. If you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe.